my Mockingjay, this raging war is tearing us apart. You've never heard your pretty voice, your lover song is speaking to my heart. Hate yourself and blame yourself, I know you have a little courage left. Drink now, but know that we can't dance around this issue of our death. I didn't let you down, did I? We live a long and lonely lie. I always knew that you'd survive, didn't I, my dear? But we can do it again this year. Haymitch isn't helping much, he's dragging you down into his despair. Stop it, he's a broken man, he doesn't have enough strength left to care. Those tears are wasted on your face, that wedding dress will never suit you now. Let's close our eyes and say goodbye, our love will be our final secret vow. And have some faith in humankind, they wanna quell us, let them try. I'm keeping you alive this time, I'd never let you die. And I can see our future clear, and how it's only worse from here. We were designed to persevere, aren't we, my dear? Oh, I didn't let you down, did I? We live a long and lonely lie. I always knew that you'd survive, didn't I, my dear?